Hello guys, my name is Kiki and it's time to make crafting fun.
This is what we are here for. And we're gonna make a cute tier tray. And for that I'm using stir sticks. And as you know, I love my stir sticks. And these are the pieces that we will be using. Also, we are gonna use these cubes from the Dollar Tree. And in the description box down below, I'm gonna leave you all the measurements for this. Now, we are gonna use the longer square strips and the shorter ones to make like a crate type of thingy. And for that, I'm just gluing those to the back, and then I'm gonna flip it over, add the other longer one to the other end, and then I'm gonna add the one in the middle like this, and we have one of our steps, and we're gonna make two of those like this ones. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one of those 22 and 45 degree pieces and one complete stir stick. And we're gonna use the 45-degree angle to join the long stir stick, or the complete one, with that piece. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure it like this, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of hot glue over here, and then I'm gonna check so it's really leveled, because that's really important for our tray. And we're gonna repeat that to the other one, and now we have two of those. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna measure it again so we can add our cubes like this. And for that, we're gonna glue them with Gorilla Glue sticks. You know me, I love Gorilla Glue sticks. So I'm just measuring them so I can add them like that using my Gorilla Glue sticks. Like this. And then I'm gonna glue the other one like that, and I'm gonna use one of the steps to measure it like that so they are leveled. That's really important here. And now we're gonna repeat that to the top of our ladder like that. And we're gonna glue them really nicely, and we're gonna use again our step to measure it or to have it leveled like that. We're gonna glue the other one, and we're gonna repeat that to the other leggy of our stir stick ladder. And as you can see, I'm just gluing the other side like this by measuring the one side that we have over there with this side. And now we are ready to glue our steps, and for that we are using our Gorilla Glue sticks and on our hot glue gun, and we're just gluing them like this with a lot of hot glue. So we are gonna glue them, and then we're gonna glue the other leg of our steps or our ladder or our tier tray just by doing the exact same thing, adding a little bit of hot glue on those cubes and then just gluing it like this. After we have all of that, we are gonna paint it. And I'm flipping it over so I can add the handle, and that's a piece of dowel that I had, and I'm gonna glue that over there. And we're gonna use mineral to paint our ladder, and I'm painting it like this, but then I'm gonna add some of my favorite antique wax. Yeah, you know me, I love to add antique wax to that mineral wet paint so it looks distressed and cute. Now we're gonna start applying it like this, and as you can see, it gives a beautiful distressed color. It looks like gray wood. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue just painting it all around, top, bottom, sides, except for the dowel on the top, because I want to keep that looking like wood. So we're gonna continue just painting and adding our antique wax like this and making it look beautiful, and I'm loving it. So now we have it here, and here is how it turned out. Isn't this the most beautiful step tier tray? Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. This is part of the tier tray collab hosted by the beautiful Sonia from Domestic Diva Home. She also has a Domestic Diva DIY and the Domestic Diva Cooking. In the description box down below, you're gonna find the link to her channel and also for the playlist, so you can go and check out all of the beautiful and talented ladies joining this awesome collaboration. Now let's make something with this twine that I had flipped over. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start making a basket, and for that, what I'm doing is adding a little bit of hot glue over here, and then I'm gonna start rolling it on itself by adding a little bit of hot glue all around it like this, because we want to make a circle out of this twine. And for that, we're just going to continue rolling with that twine. Roll it with the twine. We're just going to keep on rolling it on itself, and then we're going to start just letting it go up like this, like on top of it or on top of that circle. And we're just going to continue wrapping it around like that, and we're going to make 3 rows out of that. And for that, we are just adding hot glue and rolling it like we were doing it. And we're just going to continue doing that. When we get to the beginning, we're going to cut the excess so we can make a beautiful mini basket. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all of that and give it 2 cute handles. Now let me cut that and cut the excess, and we're going to cut a little bit more twine like this. And now we're going to glue those cute handles to the basket like that. And we're going to do the other side same way. We're going to cut that and just glue it like that. Super cute. And then when we finish with that, we're going to add our eggs to the basket. So we just glue them like this. And now we're going to add cute eggs to that basket like this. And let me show you how cute it is. It's so cute with those leftover eggs from the garland. I'm so in love with this cute mini basket. If you like modern farmhouse decor and lots of silly jokes, that's what I do here. So subscribe and hit the thumbs up and share this video with a friend, because that really helps to support my channel. Also, go and check me out on my social media so we can be friends over there and we can have lots and lots of fun together. If life gives you lemons, you make Easter eggs. And I'm using a lemon and some twine to make a beautiful Easter egg. And for that, what I'm doing, as you can see, is I'm wrapping around my lemon that twine like this. And we're going to continue just wrapping that twine around without adding hot glue, because over here it just stays put. But as you can see, I added some of that hot glue in the top. And then I'm going to start adding more hot glue when I get closer to the bottom. Let me cut it right here because we had a knot. And now I'm going to continue just wrapping around like this. And when I reach this part, I'm going to start adding hot glue here and there just to make it secure so it won't fall out on me. And we're going to just continue just adding a little bit of hot glue and wrapping around this twine. This twine, I got it from Walmart, and it's a thicker twine, but you can use the twine you can get at the dollar store or any type of twine you have. So we're going to just continue wrapping around really nicely to cover this lemon and to make a beautiful big egg. Because I can't find Easter eggs of the big ones. Yeah, the small ones, I have lots of them. But the big ones, I can't find them. So I decided to make my own by making a beautiful twine egg for my tier tray. And what I'm doing is just making the cutest twine egg. And now that we have reached the bottom, I'm going to add more hot glue and continue just wrapping around like this. And now I reached the end, and what I do is I just put it on there, and that's it. Look at that, so cute. And here we have it all done, and it's the most beautiful Easter egg from lemon. It's time to make a beautiful sign, and for that I'm using this sign from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna use the inside of it, or the back part, and I'm gonna use white paint. And my white paint, it was really dry. So I'm just using it as I can because I couldn't find any more white paint. So we're working with what we have. And I'm going to paint all the back of that frame. And then I'm going to come back with these letters that I had from some stickers. And I'm going to glue them or place them there. But I'm just going to fix that a little bit later because I wanted them to go a little bit lower so I can add another thingy on the top. But for now, we're going to stick them right here like this. And then we're going to start just measuring some twine for that top part. And I'm going to cut a piece of twine like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little piece of paper like this one. And I'm going to cut triangles out of it. And I know that maybe now you know what I'm doing on that top. Now I'm just going to make sure that my triangles are the same shape. And as you can see, I've moved my letters. And now I'm gluing the twine in the top like this. And now I'm going to glue those triangles to make a cute banner on top of that hop sign. And after we do that, we will have the cutest hop sign. Let me show you. Here we have it. And it's so cute. Now, let me show you a little bit better. This is the sign, and look at that. I'm so in love. It turned out so cute and so perfect for my tier tray. Let me know what you think about it. And this is how they turned out. As you can see, I have them styled over here with the DIYs that I made on the last video. And as you can see, they are looking cute. And also, I used the beautiful bunny family. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this beautiful tier tray. I'm in love with it. Remember that in the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to Sonia's channel so you can go and check her out and also check out the playlist. I know you're going to love what everyone else created for this awesome collab. And if you like modern farmhouse, boho decor, and lots of silly jokes, that's what I do here. So subscribe and hit the thumbs up and share this video with a friend because that really helps to support my channel. Take care, my beautiful friends. Bye-bye.